How would you like a product that will read architectural drawings, lay out your electrical systems for you based on project parameters that you set, and have it do it all, the circuiting, branch circuit wiring, fill in all schedules, do all load calculations, voltage drop calculations, create a single line diagram, and prepare the drawing for you. And we can do it all in a matter of hours instead of days or weeks that it would normally take. Are you interested? Of course you are. Now we'll show you how it is all possible with DraftLogic Electrical. You will stay in your familiar AutoCAD environment throughout the process. The first step is to standardize the architectural source drawings from the variety of drawing configurations you'll get from your clients. This is called drawing mapping and takes about 10 minutes on our sample project. We also add spatial and identification intelligence to the drawing at this stage. The software comes complete with a well-populated database of over 1,300 light fixtures to choose from and hundreds of room and project settings to make you productive right away. Because you can save the settings for projects and clients, the software gets smarter and quicker each time you use it. Let's move on to the next step. You can choose to have auto placement locate the lights, plugs, and switches, or you can manually locate, select, move, and copy blocks with whatever AutoCAD or corporate tools that you use today. The software will look for items that need power based on rules selected and place the appropriate device adjacent to that item, like a copier, microwave, etc. This is the time to locate motors and lay out other systems. The manual placement tools really help streamline this part of the design. Once the designer is happy with all the layouts, we move on to auto circuiting, which is where the real power of the program is clearly evident. The application will circuit this project in about 30 seconds. That provides the data to complete all the schedules, as the software now knows where all the lights, plugs, motors, and other devices are, and can populate all the schedules with that information. The software logically organizes the circuits to take advantage of efficient neutral sharing and does it for the complete layout. Branch circuit wiring is next and does all the junction box, conduit, and wire layouts for you and does voltage drop calculations on every single wiring run. Hit the report button and you are almost done your project. As it completes the load calculations, prepares all your floor plans, schedules, single line diagram, and fault level calculations in minutes. Here are some examples of just some of the reports that DraftLogic Electrical will provide for you. Here's the bill of materials. Next is the Luminaire Catalog, which shows you the details of some of the fixtures that you have selected for the project. This is the Luminaire schedule, which gives you the detail of all the fixtures on the project. Here's an example of the panel schedules that DraftLogic Electrical creates for you. Notice it has included all the room names on the panel schedule. Here is the single line created by DraftLogic Electrical. The only thing left is to fill in the title blocks and your standard details, and the project is completed. Late motor changes arrive at the last minute. No problem. Just adjust the motor attributes and locations if needed, and rerun the process that only takes minutes to redo the load calculations, repopulate schedules, and adjust the power tree to take care of the new layouts. In this case, we're going to change a 10 horsepower motor to a 20 horsepower motor. You are now complete. Elapsed time for this project, about 10 hours, start to finish, using DraftLogic Electrical, and you have been in your familiar AutoCAD environment the whole time. Estimated time to do it without DraftLogic Electrical? Probably 100 hours or more. You have just saved about 90 hours, or approximately 90% of expected production time. Welcome to the future of electrical design and drawing production with DraftLogic Electrical.